Okay, you're welcome here. So one of the tools we'll be using is CapCut. I love CapCut. Number one, it's a free app. It's a free app. So if you open it, click on create new project. We'll quickly run through that and then we add something. Probably let's just add one clip or image. Just add an image and then go with it. Let's add this. Let's add this and then let's add this and then let's add this. Okay, so we have they're not the same ratio. So since we have this one too, we'll use this ratio to work, and that ratio should be, let's change. So what CapCut does is the first clip you selected, it will work with that ratio. Okay, so I don't like this 9:16. I'd rather choose this, which is should be around just come to format, this down, click on format, and then you can change it. Let's see, 1:1 is okay, that 1:1 is okay. All right, so I can just adjust this one to fit in, and then same thing with this one to fit in. Okay, so you have this. Before I forget, CapCut, you can just click on this and delete this ending watermark. Click on delete and it's gone. That's why I love CapCut. It doesn't give you trouble. Only that some of its features only works when your data is on. Okay, so another thing you can do is click here. You saw all these things. Here is to add audio. Here is to edit. Like you want to work on this, click on it, that layer, and then go back, audio, this audio plus icon. From there you can add music, like sounds. You can add music to the phone. If you select from these ones, you download them and then add them to your work. If you choose from device, it will take you to your music gallery. And then from effects, here you download cinematic sounds, all those sounds, extra sound that you use in your work. This ones you see, I have added them to my favorite, but you select from these ones, you download, you see download sign, download, and then you can add them to your favorite so that it will be ready for you when you want to use them. That sound, sorry, I don't want to add it, but you see sounds like this. Yes, that's when you get in sound effects. And then extracted is when you want to extract audio from your video. Like you have a video playing, you don't want to use the video, you just want to use the audio. You can click on extracted, and then voiceover is when you want to speak, when you want to use your voice. Like if I want to speak in this, I will just click on it, and then you hold, and then you record, then you leave, you release your hand, and then it will be added. You can, if you don't get what you said right, you can still go back and then record again and delete this one that you've recorded. Okay, and another thing to, then when you are done with sound, you see test. One thing about CapCut is it has hidden features people do not know about. Okay, so many hidden features. See, add test now. Let's assume I click on this test and I said, my name is Michael. Hello, my name is Michael. Hello, my name is Michael. And then let me just stop here. Okay, then with this test like this, number one is that you can, if you come to style like this, you can change the font. Like let me just, from this one self, you can just click on it, it will change the color. And then fonts, you can click on this one. Like this one I always like using. Anyway, just click on anyone and it will change the fonts. So it will change the fonts, and then you come to effect, you select whatever you want, check whatever you want. This one is that bubble, like when you want to tag a word to somebody, like you want to say this girl is the one that is saying hello, my name is Michael. You can use this bubble sign to tag it to her mouth. You see it like this, something like this. Okay, something like this. So but I don't want it, so I'll just leave it like that. So then another thing is animatic, that is animation. All right, how you want the text to display. It has many features like this, and when the speed is not okay with you, you can always adjust like this. You can always adjust the speed. The same thing, there is this text animation that changes color while it reads. Okay, just go through these things. Like this one that is counting, like this one, it changes color like this. So if the speed, depending on what you are saying, if the voice does not correspond with the speed, you lower it like this, it will be slow. Like this, it will be very fast. Okay, so when you're done, another feature with text is in CapCut is okay, text to speech. Okay, CapCut actually has text to speech, and of recent it added this kit vocalist, like that can a song for you. Like if you click on this now and then ask it to generate Hello My, it will use it as a song.
Hello my girl. Hello my girl.
Okay, you see, I even say hello my Michael.
Hello my girl.
It's okay. I'm not generating, so that is it. You will use it. Just type your text and you will use it to compose your song. And not just that. And it has kid voice, like a boy's voice and a little girl's voice and a little boy's voice. Okay, so you can explore it. It has a little girl's voice and a little boy's voice. Okay, so when you're done, text to speech, then tracking, effect, bubble, okay, animation, and then graphs. Okay, so after text, you go back. Make sure you go back once you are done. Okay, you can check also stickers. Okay, another thing is auto caption. In text. What auto caption means is if you have a video that is already saying something, you can just click on that on this auto caption, and then it will generate text for that video. All you need to do is just adjust it. And then stickers, you can go through your stickers and then download the ones you need. Then quickly over to text. We've talked about text. Stickers. Overlay is where you add videos in new layers. Like you want to add another video, but no longer on this main track, but on new layer. You can click on it and then add it over. So, and then even if you have added something and you want to bring it down to a new layer, let's assume I want to bring this second clip down to a layer. All I can do is click on it and then go over to overlay. You see it, and it will bring it down to overlay. You can now adjust it and then position it wherever you want it. Okay, and then also another thing, one fine thing about this is its animation. It has nice animation. Just take for instance, I want to animate this image that is in overlay now. It will, unlike KineMaster will say in, out, and overall. This one will say in, out, and combo. If you click on combo, for instance, you already know how in and out works. Okay, stuff like this. You see it? Yes, and another fine features it has in this animation. Also, same thing with its transition, like transiting from one picture to another. You see it like this. You see this one that will do like it's changed face, and other things. So when you're okay, this is about transition. This is about animation and transition as well. Then splice, then delete when you want to delete a clip. This also removes background, but sometimes the background are not very neat, but it removes background. Okay, it removes background. And then the effect. This effect actually, it has overall effect like the whole video, and then you have body effect that it will pick the person that is in the video, and then it will add effect to that person. You can try it out. It has amazing features on its own. And then are we done? Canvas, and then adjust. Okay, other ones is when you want to edit a particular clip, and then you click on it, you see more features. You see more of its features, right? Let's bring this one back to the main track, but it still has its animation on. And I come back. I can just go back to remove it. Okay, let's work with this. Look at this thing style. So let's assume you want to appear or disappear. Understand? Take a look at this. Oh, I don't want this time wasting. I don't need this time wasting. But sorry, you just saw how those things we are doing, like the 3D, the stuffs and everything. They are amazing things you can use in editing your video. At least maybe during our course, when we in our editing saw it being used. And then just take your time. We talk about masking. Okay, and masking is very important too in video editing. It is used to mask 2 or 3 clips. Let's take for instance, I think I needed. Okay, let me just add another clip here. Let me add it as an overlay, and then let me add this one. All right. So when you come to masking, where is the masking action? Click on it, and then if you select this one, it will split the screen into 2. If you select this one, it will make it into 3, like it, and it will be in the center like this. And if you select this third one, it will be in the circle like this. And then you can just use something like, if you want to make it fade away, you can do it something like this, and it will feather away. Okay, like if you make it feather, it will just blend this one inside this other one, just like this. You see it now, it's blended this one into this one. But like you want just to give it a circle, then you need just to bring this thing together, and it will have a proper circle. If you keep shifting it, it will keep fading away. So that's that about masking. And when masking works very well, especially when you want to clone yourself or do other stuffs. Then we talk about what else do we need to talk about? Video effects, replace chroma key, choosing all these things. So this is about CapCut. Okay, in the course of our training, you'll find out if there are other tools, we will touch how you can use them.